What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we're making some southern green beans with smoked turkey meat. If you're from the south like myself, you might call them string beans or snap beans even. Whatever you choose to call them, they're very tasty, super easy to make, and we're whipping them up with our Sunday dinner. Let's cook. Alright, so let's prep our green beans. So I have some fresh green beans that have already been washed. And we can do these one or two ways. You can do it the old school way, you know, where you snap the ends off and then you snap them into pieces. I don't know nothing about that. I'm not going to act like I do. So we're going to do it the bougie way. And we're going to use our knife and just trim the ends off and then just cut them into pieces. Alright, so now that we cut our green beans, we're going to go in with 1/4 chicken broth into our pot. You certainly can use water. I just highly recommend using chicken broth. It just adds another level of flavor that we want. Now we're going to go in with 1 to 2 cups of water. I just switched mine around into my empty cart, threw it right on in. And now we're going to go in with our smoked turkey leg. This is already cooked. We're just heating it back up, so just add that on in. And now we're going to go in with some crushed red pepper flakes for a little spice, a little kick to it. We're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes. Try not to skip this step. We want to bring these green beans to the cookout, so we need them to be packed with flavor, y'all. So now we're going to remove that turkey leg. We're going to add our fresh green beans in, and we're going to let it simmer for about an hour. So while our green beans are cooking, we're going to work on the smoked turkey leg that we set aside. So all I'm doing is just cutting the meat off the bone and chopping it up into bite-sized pieces. Alright, so this is how it's looking after 45 minutes. I'm just stirring it around a little bit. And now we're going to add our turkey meat back in there, along with the bone, y'all. Let the bone go in there too. We're going to let it continue to simmer about another 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, y'all, that's it. Our southern green beans are complete. They're cookout ready or Sunday meal ready. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on all social media platforms, and I'll see y'all in the next video.